Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily add location to your Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Instagram app. Then swipe to the right to bring up your story camera. Then you can just take a picture of something, and then if you want you can add a location to that story. You can add location of some place where you are currently in, or at some another place. All you have to do is just tap at that sticker's icon and then select location sticker. If you can't find it right here, you can always use search. Just hit at the search box and search for location in that way, and after that you will be able to tap at that sticker, and then it will show you some places nearby the place where you are in, and also you can scroll down to see more locations, and if you want to search for a specific one you can hit at search. Then you can type in something. Let it be Tokyo, Japan, and that will place that location sticker over your story. You can now move it around to place it wherever you want, and also you can tap at that sticker to change the way how it looks. I like that one, and basically that's it. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Instagram tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.